In this project, we are gonna create this cool picture frame. But why do we need a frame in the first place? Once upon a time, there was a man just trying to live his life, but he faced many challenges.
Inner peace.
After a lot of measurements and many calculations, he said, "Now that everything is ready, let's cut some wood." Now we have 4 edges and we will do rabbet cut. This is our frame and it will have some 45-degree channels like this. Now I will draw some guidelines for diagonal cuts. Now we have a kind of guideline, and also as you can see I have created this 45-degree cut jig. And let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed.
"2,000 years later."
That was not very easy. So all 45-degree cuts are done now. Next step is making a cross cut like this so that I can get a V-shaped pattern for the frame. Actually, it's not very bad if we can succeed these on 4 middle points on the frames. Let's see how it goes. Overall, it's not perfect, but I think it's okay, and I will try to fix some aspects. Gluing only from this end is gonna be weak, so I will cut some supporting sheets to glue them. Okay, let's get that hat. Okay, I don't know how it happened, but somehow I made a very stupid mistake. For 2 edges, rabbet cuts were on outer edge of the frame. I don't know how it happened, but it happened. And now I'm trying to fix that. Now it's paint time. But first, breakfast. Now I promise it's paint time.
A few moments later.
I hope you liked this project. If you didn't like, supporting back panel.